Oh wow, Riot actually announced a butterfly knife.
We will have a butterfly knife.
Remember, he did.
I hope it's already in the game. Oh no, oh no. Anyway, I'm a 3D artist and today I'm creating a Magepunk butterfly knife for Valorant. And before I forget, write skin ideas in the comments and click that subscribe button. Let's get into it.
Thyros.exe.
If you watched my videos before, first of all thank you, but you know that before I start 3D modeling, I usually create a reference in Photoshop. This time, however, I said fuck it and put this reference together that I didn't really follow at the end. Now let's come to the juicy part of the video, the 3D modeling. I started to block out the design and then created some cutouts. Then I added some screws to the hinges. I thought they were too big, if that's ever a problem, and so I had to scale them down. After that I said to myself that I could take a day off and think about the design. So I went to the lake and then got a fucking sunburn. Now I couldn't even work at all because I literally couldn't sit down. This was a fucking fun time, but luckily after only one day I started to work on it again. This time I focused on the handle. I added pipes and this belt holder. My first idea was to create a barometer and a display. I thought that the display could function like the stat track feature in CSGO. I mean, it counts the kills that you made with the skin. But don't worry about it. It was a cool idea, but I removed it later. But before that happens, I added textures and then scaled the small pipes up. I mean, who likes small pipes? No. Then I removed the barometer and the display. Instead of them, I added a small lightning in a tube. Then I refined the belt holder and bam, that's it. I only had to animate the knife and then render the animation. But before you see the animation, like and subscribe and follow me on Twitter. We see us next week. Bye.